In this section, we'll be adding animations. We'll learn how to animate in Cinema 4D, how to use the Puppet tool, how to work with advanced pins in the Puppet tool, and how to do keyframe interpolation. In this video, we'll keep going with our title and animate a camera in Cinema 4D. In Cinema 4D, click on Camera 1 to make sure it's selected. This is the one we'll animate. Down in the timeline, I'm going to move my current timeline indicator to 60 so that I can capture this as my final frame. Down in the Object panel, make sure your Coordinates option is selected. I'll click on the key to start recording activity, and notice that adds red dots next to the coordinates. I'll bring my current time indicator all the way back to the beginning. I want to move my camera up and maybe a little bit more to the right. Now that I have it into position, I'm going to click on all of the orange circles to make sure they're red dots. Now I can scrub through my timeline, and you'll see that I've animated my title. I'll save, and back in After Effects, you'll see that my title updates. If I scrub through here, the animation I just did is reflected.